Hello all, welcome to Gurukul CAT 100 series, a series designed to take you from your study room to your corporate boardroom. I am Deepak Nemani and this is Daily Quant with Deepak. Hi all, welcome back to day 49 of 100 days to CAT 1 series. In this video, we'll be solving 5 questions from Algebra. So whenever you come across a question on the screen, pause the video, try solving that question. Once you're done solving, you can resume the video. If you find this video useful, like the video, share this video with your friends who are preparing for CAT, and most importantly, for more videos of this kind, subscribe to this channel. In case if you want to attempt these 5 questions as a test, you can log into our portal, the gurukul.org.in, where you need to sign up so that you can get access to a course called 100 Days Race to CAT, in which there will be 3 sections: Quant, Verbal, and LRDA. We will be uploading 100 tests in each section absolutely for free. So if you are a serious CAT 25 aspirant, you cannot afford missing these tests. So without any further delay, let's get started with the first question. How many points do the graphs of y is equal to mod x plus 4 and y is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 intersect, right? Now let's first draw the graph of y is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12, right? Now this will be an upward facing parabola, right? And x square plus 8x plus 12. Now we need to write 12 as a product of two numbers, which when add gives us plus 8. So x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. Now this is nothing but x plus 2 into x plus 6. Now this is equal to y. So the roots of this quadratic equation are minus 2 and minus 6. Okay. So minus 2, minus 6. And the graph will be somehow like this. Now coming to graph of y is equal to mod x plus 4. We have y is equal to mod x plus 4. Now let us identify, or let us first get that point where y is equal to 0. Now where will y be equal to 0? Right, when x is equal to minus 4. Right, so you have a point on x axis where y is equal to mod x plus 4, mod of x plus 4 touches x axis, right? And when x is equal to 0, right, what would be the point on y axis? 4, right? This would be 0 comma 4. And similarly, when x is equal to minus 8 plus 4, right? So you'll be having 4, so you'll be having one more line like this, right? So you have this graph y is equal to mod x plus 4 touching the parabola at 2 points. So the answer for this question should be 2. So whenever you are asked question based on graphs, first try to identify the pattern, right? How does the graph look like? And first identify to get the points on the coordinate axis, right? So that solving that question would become easier. Now coming to the second question. Suppose f of x is equal to ax square minus bx minus 6. The roots of a quadratic equation g of x is equal to 0 are the reciprocals of roots of f of x is equal to 0. What is g of x? Right. So we are given with f of x is equal to ax square minus bx minus 6. Now let alpha and beta be the roots of this quadratic equation. Right. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus of minus b. So b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a minus 6 by a. Right. So we need to find the quadratic equation whose roots are reciprocals of this. Right. So the roots will be 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta would be alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Now we know the value of alpha plus beta, b by a by alpha beta minus 6 by a. So sum of the roots should be minus b by 6. So if it's minus b by 6, I'll get to eliminate this and I'll get to eliminate this as well. So we have these two options. And what should be the product of the roots? 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So that should be reciprocal of this, minus a by 6. Now the roots of this equation would be a by 6. So this can be eliminated. Hence, option A should be the answer to this question. Now, coming to the next question. What is the value of log 1 by 2 log 5 square minus 2 log 3 plus log 18? So, I can write 1 by 2 log 5 square as 5 square power 1 by 2 minus log 3 square plus, let me write this as log 18 only, right? So these two will get cancelled. So we have log 5 minus log 9 plus log 18. Now log x minus log y, log x by y, log 5 by 9, log x plus log y, log xy into 18. So 9 2 is 18, 5 into 2 10. So we have log 10 which is equal to 1. So hence the answer for this question should be 1. Now coming to the next question. F of x is equal to minimum of 3x plus 2, comma 1 minus 5x. What is the maximum possible value of f of x? Now f of x will be maximum when 3x plus 2 is equal to 1 minus 5x. Right. So shifting minus 5x to left hand side, will be having 8x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now we are not asked to find the value of x when f of x is maximum. No, we are asked to find the maximum possible value of f of x. So that would be 1 minus, you can substitute the value of x in any of those two expressions. So 1 minus of 5 into minus 1 by 8. So 1 plus 5 by 8. So the answer for this question should be 13 by 8. Hence option D should be the answer to this question. Now coming to the last question. The value of the sum 8 into 11 minus 11 into 10 plus 10 into 13 minus 13 into 12 so on till 30 into 33 minus 33 into 32 is. Right. Now we have 8 into 11 minus 11 into 10 plus 10 into 13 minus 13 into 12 plus so on up to 30 into 33 minus 33 into 32. Right. Now between these two terms I can take 11 common, then what do we have? 8 minus 10 minus 2 plus between these three we have 13 common, then 10 minus 12 we have minus 2 plus so on till I can take 33 common and then we have 30 minus 32 minus 2. Right. So if I take minus 2 common, we have 11 plus 13 plus so on till 33 odd numbers. Right. So minus 2 into. Let's find the sum of these terms starting from 11 to 33 odd numbers. Right. And they're also in arithmetic progression. So how many terms are there? So 11 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 33, n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 22. So n minus 1 is equal to 11 or n is equal to 12. So there are 12 terms. So the sum of the terms would be the first term plus last term, 44 by 2 into 12. So I can cancel these two. 44 into 12. 44 into 10 is 440. 440 plus 88. 528 with a minus sign. Hence option B should be the answer to this question.